If you're looking for a brand new 4 Series, well, you're in luck. BMW Group Malaysia has just launched the all-new BMW 430i Coupe M Sport. BMW Group Malaysia has finally launched its latest 4 Series model, the BMW 430i Coupe M Sport. So together with the launch, they've also previewed the new X7 xDrive 40i Pure Excellence, and of course introduced 2 bike models from the BMW Motorrad lineup, which is the BMW R18 Classic and the new S1000RR. So together with that, there are 2 new CKD Mini Cooper S Countryman models, the Mini Cooper S Countryman and the most exciting one, the Mini Cooper SE Countryman, which happens to be a plug-in hybrid.